Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you if you are facing any problem not transferring files after connecting the USB. So let me show you how to fix this one. Okay, so here you can see I already connected to one USB pen drive. So let me show you how to fix not transferring files. So for this, simply go to the settings and scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option developer options. So tap on this one. Now again scroll down, here you can see the option USB debugging. First of all, we need to turn on this one. Tap on OK. Now still if you are not able to transfer the files, simply go down to the networking section. Scroll down. Okay. So under networking section, you can see the option default USB configuration. Select this one. Then from this list, you need to select the option transferring files. Okay. Now after this one, simply open your file manager or my files. Here you can see the connected USB name you can see here, and tap on this one. You can easily transfer the file after this one. So simply in this way we can fix the file transferring, not transferring files, only charging. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.